It's Thursday, December 8th, I think. 8th? It's December 8th. And we're somewhere in the Atlantic Ocean, as you can see in the background. Isn't that beautiful? I could really get used to this. I'm really enjoying myself. My husband and I are here by ourselves. And we have planned another cruise June 7th of 2024. So I can't wait for that. And yeah, let me see if I can flip the camera around so you can see me. Sorry about the hand. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, so now you can't see the glare. The sun was in the background, so there was a really big glare there. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, just listen to the beautiful waves crashing. We started in Miami, so we flew in from Miami to we flew from Newark to Miami, and then from Miami, our first port was where did we stop first? Bahamas, maybe? I think it was Bahamas. And then after that, we were at sea for a day, and we stopped at St. Thomas, which was yesterday. So really, oh my gosh, it was gorgeous. St. Thomas was just amazing, beautiful. The weather was just perfect. Couldn't ask for anything better. Just panning out here so you can see. We've got the beautiful sun in the east. It's what time is it now? Let's see. Well, it's like 9:10 a.m. Not New York time, so it would be like 8:10 a.m. New York time when I'm doing this. But isn't it beautiful? I mean, I just love this. I just can't say enough about it. Very happy about this. So tomorrow we go to Coco Cay, which is another island. I think it's like one of the private islands of the cruise ships. So we have a whole day planned there. And then sadly we sail back to Miami on Sunday and back to the cold New York weather. Oh, I am dreading that like you would not believe. And let me pan down so you can see the beautiful wake. How cool is that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. No, I wish you guys were all here with me. But alas, I cannot take you all with me. So I'll just stay quiet for a bit, and you can listen to the ocean sound. Let me flip the camera around and say goodbye. Alright friends, thanks for joining me. I will see you in about a week. Alright, take care. Bye.